And we're back. So chef, ano gagawin natin for today?
Pumpkin, mango, and Tawa Tawa shake.
Tawa Tawa! That's amazing. That's a
Backyard herb.
Okay. So Tawa Tawa, alam naman natin, Tawa Tawa works well sa mga mabababa ang platelets. And I think it's very good for the ones with asthma and may respiratory illness. So first, here's our Tawa Tawa. It's going to extract the leaf. So, with the use of our muddler. So, sa mga bars. Kung wala nito, kahit yung mortar vessel, pwede rin. So here, wala din itong Boston shaker, you can use ordinary glass. Of course, we're going to add a little bit of yung ating calamansi juice. And now we're muddling. The purpose of this one is para mas lumabas yung aroma yung flavor. So, habang ginagawa ito, si chef naman will mix yung ating mashed pumpkin. Actually, if you're also on a diet, you can use this or substitute this as your food substitute. And then, yung ating Cebu mango. Right. Chef, malagay ko lahat. Including the Tawa Tawa. Then adding water. Of course, sweetener. Depende rin sa sweetness of your mangoes. Kung hindi siya ganun katamis, or if you want it to be more sweet, you can add a natural sweetener. But with us, we're using honey. But then you can also use the white sugar or brown sugar. Ating na-mix na pumpkin mango Tawa Tawa. So there you have it, our pumpkin mango Tawa Tawa. Then from all of us here at Waterfront,
Stay safe, stay home.